Hello learners, welcome to the class on Power BI data visualization. We are discussing different types of visualization using Power BI software. You can also work along with me. The data set is given in the description. The Google Drive link is available in the description. You can download and work along with me. So let me import the data. Go to get data, click Excel workbook. Since the given data is in Excel, then select the Power BI data set. The data is getting loaded. Now you can see here the data along with the sheet name appears here. I have to click this checkbox, then click load. The data is being added to our report. This I have explained in the previous videos. What is report view, what is table view, model view, etc. Please go and check it out. The link is in the description. So the data is successfully loaded. We can select this B shape in order to expand and see whether the data is loaded properly. Yes, the data is fine here. I'm going to insert one of the super visualization type available with Power BI, that is map visualization. So any stakeholder will be interested to view the place where the sales are happening. So for this, we need to have the country data. The name of the country should be mentioned properly in our data set. Then only we can visualize this. So here I have uh, data called a column called the country. Then first of all, we need to select the visualization type. So here, if you scroll down in row number 4, the first visualization type is map. Then select this map. If this map is not available for you, then it is pretty simple. First of all, we have to go to File. Then under File, we have to come to this Options and Settings. Just go to File and come to this Options and Settings. Then under the Options and Settings, select Options. Under Options, uh, a window like this will open. Under Options, we have a setting called Global. Under Global, you come to this Security, the menu called Security. Then take your cursor into the right side of your window, then scroll down. So here you can see map and filled map visual, a headline called map and filled map visuals. Here this checkbox may not be ticked for you, may not be selected for you. So that is why the map may not be available. So here I have enabled it. So that is why this tick is there. If it is not enabled for you, just select this. So it will be like this. The empty box will be there under map and filled map visuals. Then you select this, use map and filled map visuals. Then click OK. In this case, I have already enabled, so I'm clicking cancel. So you need to click OK in order to enable it. This is a one-time activity. You don't have to do every now and then. Just one time you have to enable it. Then the Power BI will save the setting forever until you have not you are not going to uninstall the Power BI, or if you are not going to make any updation in the Power BI. So it's a one-time activity. Just go to File and under Options and Settings, click Options. Then under Options, you will have a Global. Under Global, it is Security. Under Security, you have a Map and Filled Map Visual, and then select this Use Map and Filled Map Visual, then click OK. So it has been done now. Now let us select the variable called country. I want to view the country according to my profit. I want to see the profit of it. So that's it. A beautiful country map. The given data is in European country, so that is why the European map is appearing here. So here you can see the bubble thing. This bubble denotes the profit belongs to that area. So here again, as we have done the customization of pie chart, column chart in our previous videos, we can also do the customization for map chart also. So let me make it a little bigger. Okay. So first of all, we have to select this. Then once you select your visualization, you can see the format and data drill will be enabled. If I have selected outside the map, outside the visual, those two menu are not appearing here. I hope you are following my cursor. So you need to select this, then only the format and data drill options will be available. All our customization, visualization customization, we are doing under format and data drill only. Okay, let me customize this. I just want to see um, the title, yes, category labels. I don't want to view the category labels. Heat map, I don't want. Then select more options. Under more options, the formatting is enabled. Just select this brush, add or remove visual items, then select more option. Then this format toolbar will appear. All our customization we are going to do under format, under that visuals. So first of all, select the size and style of your visual. The default is good for me. Then the background color can be anything. I want to view the visual border. So select this. This visual border is useful when we create a dashboard. Then the visual border I want to view in some attractive color so that it differentiates from one visual to another. So this I selected. Then shadow effect. I want to view the shadow effect, that too with a glowing color. Okay, it's a pink, not glowing. Okay. So something I have selected, and okay. Then the title is on, it is toggled. Then I want to view the proper title. The default title, sum of profit by country, but I want to view this as country versus profit. So this is the customized title I'm giving for my visual. You can also give your own customized visual. Then I want to see this in Arial black font. You can select your favorite font or your organization's usual font. I increased the size of the font. Then color I chose as green. Since it is profit, I want to give a green color for this. Okay. Then I want to view this in the center. Then text wrap. If the headline is big, then we can toggle this text wrap. In this case, it's a small title, so text wrap is not required. Text wrap means if the title is in a, if it goes beyond the screen size, automatically it will be converting into the second line so that the title will be visible. Then subtitle, I don't want spacing, I don't want map settings, style, we can make it as dark. This is one kind of attractive visual. Then, I want to view this as light or grayscale. Only the areas are highlighted here. So by default, it is road. So let it be in road itself. Or yeah, this is it is more meaningful. This aerial view of the given data, it is more meaningful, more attractive. If we keep this in our dashboard, this will be pretty good. Okay, let it be. Then yeah, this is what important. Like in pie chart, how the legends are important. Similarly, in map chart, this bubble is important, especially the bubble size. So here, default it is automatic. The bubbles, the smaller bubble denotes smaller profit. Finland is the lesser profit country according to the given data, and France is the most profitable country according to the given data. So here I want to view this, I want to increase the size. So let me increase it much bigger so that it is more predominant and more visible to the audience. Then we can also customize the color of it. I want to give some attractive color. Yeah, this is attractive. Fine. Okay. And also we can view the name of the country easily. It is more transparent now. Spain, Italy, Germany, and UK, as it goes. Then that's all. We have done a small customization for our given data with the help of Power BI. We have successfully inserted the country map. Thank you.